Rain or Shine finally makes their debut this season and they're doing it against last year's champions. In the All-Filipino Cup, the Meralco Bolts. You got Yang Giao's young guns hungry to prove they belong versus a Bolt squad na talo sa opening game against the Titan Ultra. Ito feel ko Rosa's one of the most exciting young cores in the league. Adrian Nocum, Andre Caracut, Gian Mamuyak, Santi Santillan. Mr. President Gabe Norwood's out here chasing that storybook ending in his final season. That is the main reason why I'm rooting for Rain or Shine this year and sana sila ay mag-champion. And this is where it gets fun because games like this aren't just entertaining to watch. They're also gold for daily fantasy. So imagine locking in a breakout pick like Santi Santillan if he catches fire, or taking a risk on a Gabe Norwood who could magically just give you 10 points, 5 rebounds, 5 assists. He can have one of those nights. We're gonna join this contest between Rain or Shine and the Meralco Bolts. I'm gonna choose joining the one na entry fee na 5 rubies. Click join. Point guard ko, Andre Caracut for 10.5 credits. So you gotta use the 100 credits that's been given to you. So akin may natitira pang 11.5. Shooting guard, Nunu. Of course, Chris Newsome. Gusto niya makabawi for sure. Small forward, Adrian Nocum. Nasa SF spot siya. And I think makabounce back din siya. For just 12.5 credits, feel ko I can get the most out of that. Power forward, Michael Jonard, Jorag Clarito. Rock and roll, Raymond Almazan. And di natin kakalimutan yung tatlo natin sa flex kasi 8 players nga dapat, diba? Gabe Norwood, Cliff Hodge, and CJ Cancino. I feel like that's the lineup that's gonna get me a top spot dito sa Rubies. Hopefully, I'm right. Captain ko, lalagay ko si... Gusto ko maging captain si Adrian Nocum. So, Captain Adrian Nocum. And then, vice captain ko si Nunu. Confirm and join. If you want to join in on the fun, use my referral code, Nico Rocha, and you will get 100 coins upon sign up. Laro tayo. Join that game between Meralco and Rain or Shine. I'm going to be there. You're gonna see my name. It's Nico.Rocha. And see you guys there. Just daily fantasy. See you in the games.